the Grinch's puppy?
Grinch puppy.
Yeah.
Is that mine?
I think so. We'll have to ask Mommy when she gets home, okay?
I got it.
She won't let go of one to open up the other one.
Grinch.
It is.
That's my Grinch.
Is that your Grinch?
That's my Grinch.
Yeah.
Look, Grinch. Heavy.
Are they heavy? They're made of good stuff, huh?
I hold them.
Here, look at my phone. Smile. Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.